Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you a cool do-it-yourself project you can make from a chainsaw chain using a rotary tool. I grind down the rivet a bit and then I knock it out to separate the chain. This is how it should turn out. Now you need to take two washers and drill holes in them. Using a piece of nail, I make a rivet to connect the washer to the chain. Now you need to take two pieces of rope, each 10 feet long, and tie them to the washers, but it's better to use a thin cable. To prevent the rope from catching, I wrap it with electrical tape. I do the same thing with the other end of the chain. You need to tie handles to the ends of the rope, which I carved out of wood. Well, that's it. The homemade tool is finished. Now let me show you what it's for. Sometimes you need to trim a tall tree, but it's very difficult to climb it. But with a tool like this, you can do it very easily using some kind of long stick. You put this homemade tool on the branch you need and with simple movements you cut it off. Such a tool will be useful in every home or summer house. It's lightweight, doesn't take up much space, and you can always take it with you. Even though my chain is old, it cuts very well. And by the way, the thicker the branch, the easier it is to saw. As you can see, everything works great. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching and goodbye.